This isn't just another conflict. Right now, the United States and Israel are at war with Iran, and the situation is spreading across the Middle East. This is the biggest escalation we have seen in years, and it has real global consequences. In late February 2026, the United States and Israel launched a coordinated military campaign against Iran, hitting major strategic and military targets in multiple cities inside the country. This joint military action was known as Operation Lion's Roar. Weaken Iran's nuclear and ballistic missile programs, target key leadership and military infrastructure, disrupt Iran's support to allied militants in that region. And according to multiple official reports, Iran's leader was killed during these strikes. So, this sparked the Middle East. Iran immediately retaliated. Tehran and Iranian aligned forces have launched ballistic missiles and drone targeting Israel, attacked US military bases across Gulf regions, struck targets in countries including Bahrain, Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, and the UAE. Even attacked a British base in a country. And adding to that, Hezbollah, a powerful Iran aligned group in Lebanon, has entered the conflict directly by firing rockets into the northern Israel. So, this is not only involving two countries now. The United States has been deeply involved. US military assets participated in the joint strikes. US commanders say they intervened to prevent Iranian attacks on American troops. President Donald Trump stated that the strikes were aimed at limiting Iran's nuclear and missile capabilities and preventing future threats. And listen up, this isn't just a Middle East war. It matters because oil prices have surged due to instability in the Gulf. Global shipping routes like the Strait of Hormuz are disrupted, affecting energy supplies worldwide. World markets are reacting to the uncertainty. Countries across Asia and Africa are condemning the strikes as unlawful aggression. Nations like China, Russia, Turkey, and Pakistan are expressing diplomatic concern about the conflict. There are several clear reasons this conflict had exploded. Iran's nuclear and missile capabilities. Israel and the US view them as strategic threats to them, so they may have attacked it. The killing of top Iranian leadership is also another big reason adding to that. So, this war is not a series of isolated strikes anymore. It is an ongoing multi-nation conflict involving Iran, Israel, and the United States, with the attacks spreading to other countries and groups like Hezbollah. It reshapes alliances, impacting global markets, and raising the risk of even larger confrontations. And the worst part, nobody knows how it will end, but everyone feels the consequences.